Ever sent money and regretted it? Imagine this, it's late Friday night, and you desperately need to pay your friend back for that concert ticket. Banks are closed, transferring through your bank app takes ages, and the whole situation just feels like a hassle. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to send and receive money instantly, easily, and securely, all from your phone? Well, fret no more, because that's exactly what Wave Mobile Money does. Wave is a mobile money platform that's quickly taking Nigeria by storm. But with all the options out there, how exactly does Wave work? In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Wave, explaining everything you need to know to get started and become a Wave Pro in no time. So, whether you're a seasoned mobile money user or just getting started, buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of Wave. Getting started with Wave. First things first, you'll need to download the Wave app. It's available for free on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, you'll need to register for an account. The process is super simple and only takes a few minutes. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your phone number, name, and a valid ID. Activating your Wave account. After registering, you'll need to activate your account. This usually involves visiting a licensed Wave agent. These agents are essentially your one-stop shop for all things Wave. You can find them at places like kiosks, supermarkets, and even some pharmacies. Once you find an agent, simply let them know you want to activate your account and they'll guide you through the process. In most cases, you'll just need to show your ID and provide the phone number you used to register. Funding your Wave account. Now that your account is all set up, it's time to add some money. There are several ways to do this. You can fund your account directly from your bank account through a linked bank transfer. Most major Nigerian banks are compatible with Wave, so chances are yours will be too. Another option is to deposit cash at a Wave agent. This is a great option if you prefer dealing with physical cash. Finally, some merchants allow you to pay for goods and services directly with your Wave account, essentially topping up your balance at the same time. Sending and receiving money with Wave. Alright, now for the fun part, using Wave to send and receive money. Sending money with Wave is incredibly simple. Just open the app, select Send Money, and enter the recipient's phone number. You can choose to send money to someone who already has a Wave account or to someone who doesn't. If the recipient has a Wave account, the money will be credited to their account instantly. If they don't have an account, they'll receive an SMS notification with instructions on how to claim the money at a Wave agent. Receiving money with Wave is just as easy. When someone sends you money, you will receive an SMS notification. You can then either withdraw the money in cash from a Wave agent or transfer it directly to your bank account. Wave payment fees. It's important to note that Wave charges small fees for certain transactions. These fees are usually minimal and transparently displayed within the app before you confirm any transaction. Benefits of using Wave. So, why should you use Wave instead of other mobile money options? Well, there are several advantages. Here are a few of the biggest ones. Speed and convenience. Transactions happen instantly, making Wave a perfect solution for those urgent money transfers. No more waiting for bank transfers to clear. Security. Wave takes security very seriously. They use advanced encryption technology to keep your money and information safe. Widespread network. With a large network of agents across Nigeria, you're never too far away from a place to top up your account, withdraw cash, or send and receive money. User-friendly app. The Wave app is incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Is Wave right for you? Wave is a fantastic mobile money option for anyone in Nigeria looking for a fast, secure, and convenient way to send and receive money. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, paying for groceries, or sending money to family back home, Wave has you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Wave app today and experience the future of mobile money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.